Hi, this is Joe with AJ Antunes. We're on the side of the VCT-2 where we're going to show you how to replace the 700-1580 power switch. First, you'll need to remove the fun feeder. Now, this one only has one screw on top. On other models, you'll have multiple screws on the side of the panel. We'll take our Phillips screwdriver, remove the one screw up here. It is suggested you wear gloves. Metal may be sharp. You can pull the panel up on the side here, and then slide it up and up and pull the panel off. We'll set this aside. I have not been successful removing these switches without breaking them. So what you'll need to do, first of all, make sure the unit is unplugged. And what you'll do is you take a screwdriver and you'll bust it out through the front. All right, you may have to work it back and forth, but eventually it comes free. With your new power switch, replace the terminals as sideways. With your new power switch, replace it the same way. Remove the terminals. These could be difficult to do so, but you put on the one side. All right, these are blue terminals, so they're size 14-16 gauge. All right. Now, when it comes with your kit, which is very important, is this black block. All right, this is what you use to install the power switch with. You'll take this and push it through. Be mindful of the wires. All right, and just like that. Your power switch is now installed. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take our panel and reinstall it. Once again, your panel might have multiple screws. You probably will not have the tabs on there. This one happens to have the tabs. Just go ahead and align the tabs. All right, and then slide down. All right, there we go. Lock it in place. Grab your Phillips screw. Install it on the top. And we'll take our bung feeder and install it on top of the unit. And that is the power switch replacement.